Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm gonna show you how to use ChatGPT plugins. Alright, so this is gonna be a complete tutorial for ChatGPT plugins. If you haven't used ChatGPT plugins before, or you're not sure how to get advantage of ChatGPT plugins. So first you have to open up, of course, chat.openai.com, sign in into your ChatGPT account, and to be able to use ChatGPT plugins, currently you have to be a ChatGPT Plus subscriber, so make sure to upgrade to ChatGPT Plus if you want to try them out. Then first you have to enable plugins in your ChatGPT account. So all you have to do is on the left click on your account name, then select settings, then click on beta features and make sure that plugins are turned on here. So you're going to be able to install plugins in your ChatGPT account. Alright, then one thing you have to keep in mind is that with the GPT 3.5 model you cannot use plugins. You have to select GPT-4 here, and if you haven't installed any plugins yet, you're going to see no plugins enabled. Click here, then you're going to be able to select plugin store here, and this will open up the plugin store. Currently you can see there are more than 80 plugins here, so there are 8 plugins on one page and there are 11 pages, but new plugins are added daily to this ChatGPT plugin store. And if you want to install a plugin, all you have to do is basically click on the install button here. You can install unlimited amount of plugins at a time, but you can only enable 3 plugins at a time. One of the limitations of ChatGPT plugins that there is no tutorial on how to use any of these plugins. Basically, we only get this small description of what the plugin is capable doing, but we do not get any instruction on how to use them. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to still find out how to use a plugin. So let's see an example. So I'm going to use the Ask Your PDF plugin, which is a plugin that enables you to upload plugins to ChatGPT and get information about the PDF. So any content that PDF document has, ChatGPT will be able to get information about that PDF file. So click on install here if you want to try this out. And if you close this out, as you can see, the plugin icon has appeared here. If you want to disable the plugin, just click on the plugin name, and now currently no plugins are enabled. But if you want to use the plugin, make sure that the plugin is enabled. So the issue is that, okay, how can I use this? There's no information on that. And a great hack for this is to basically ask ChatGPT how you can use this plugin. So the name of the plugin is Ask Your PDF. So I'm going to ask ChatGPT how. So as you can see, I'm asking ChatGPT, how can I use the Ask Your PDF ChatGPT plugin? Then click on execute, and then hopefully ChatGPT will tell us how to use this Ask Your PDF ChatGPT plugin. So as you can read here, we have received an answer from ChatGPT. So to use the Ask Your PDF ChatGPT plugin, all we have to do is first upload the PDF, and we can do that by providing the URL of that PDF document, and then we can query the PDF. So basically ask any questions about that PDF document, and ChatGPT also gave us an example here. So basically all we have to do is add a PDF URL and then ask questions about that URL. So in this example, I'm going to use a PDF document, which is the Bitcoin white paper, which is a technical document about how Bitcoin works. So all we have to do is basically ask Your PDF ChatGPT plugin to download this PDF. And as you can see, the plugin is enabled because we can see this green cell here, and we can see that ChatGPT is using the Ask Your PDF plugin. So as you can see here, I have waited a couple of seconds and the Ask Your PDF plugin still didn't give me a response. So this is something you have to keep in mind, that plugins are still beta features, so they're gonna have some technical issues. So in this example, what I'm gonna do is click on Regenerate Response here, and hopefully the plugin now will work. And as you can see, now the PDF has been successfully downloaded and saved. So if you do not get a response from a plugin for the first time, make sure to retry it and it will hopefully work there. So as you can see, we can now ask questions related to the content of this document. So let's say we want to summarize this Bitcoin white paper. Then click enter. This is a more than 10-page long PDF document. So this is a great way to use ChatGPT plugins. So as you can see, we have to wait a little bit, and now we get a response from ChatGPT that the PDF you provided is the original Bitcoin white paper by Satoshi Nakamoto. Here's a summary of the key points from this document. Paper proposes a peer-to-peer electronic cash system, Bitcoin, which allows online payments to be sent directly from one party to another. Alright, so as you can see, it gives us a full summary of this Bitcoin white paper. We get info about the privacy part, the introduction part, and all that good stuff. So all in all, this is how to use ChatGPT plugins. So as you can see, if you don't know how to use a certain ChatGPT plugin, just ask ChatGPT how can you use this plugin, and they will give you a response on how to use these plugins. Hope you found this ChatGPT plugin beginner tutorial useful. If you want to learn more about ChatGPT plugins, check out my channel where I have a ton of ChatGPT plugin tutorials.